Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unlock your Betterment debit card. If you don't have a Betterment account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get up to $5,000 in assets managed free. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on Checking. On this page, scroll down a little. At the right side, you will see a section for Manage Account. Under Manage Account is an option for Card Lock. Toggle to unlock. And now your debit card has been unlocked. That's how you unlock your Betterment debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.